Welcome to the City of Lakes, India's cleanest capital city, Bhopal. Madhya Pradesh is one of the fastest growing state and investment destination. Being situated in the heart of India, the location advantage is unmatched. Bhopal is home to superb healthcare, education and entertainment facilities. Many central, eminent, prestigious institutions like Maulana Azad National Institution of Technology, National Law Institute University, National Institute of Designing, IIFM, Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, and National Institute of Fashion Technology are situated in Bhopal. Plastic Park developed by Madhya Pradesh Industrial Development Corporation Limited, MPIDC, a government of Madhya Pradesh corporation entrusted with the responsibility of industrial promotion through development of industrial growth centers. Plastic Park Damot is being developed to boost manufacturing in polymers and plastics under the scheme of Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Government of India. Plastic Park Damot is situated at Village Damot, Tehsil Goharganj, District Raisen on National Highway 12. The site is a 30-minute drive from Bhopal and 15 minutes from Mandideep Industrial Area. It has direct rail link with inland container depot at Mandideep, situated 17 kilometers away. Built in an area of about 50 hectares, the park boasts of excellent industrial infrastructure like 7-meter wide cement concrete approach and internal road network, dedicated power supply from 132 kV and 33 kV substation, storm water drainage, street lighting, etc. In addition, following common facilities are available to supplement production. Advanced Plastics Product Simulation and Evaluation Center, APPSEC, for simulation and evaluation support, prototyping, incubation center, training and skill development. The APPSEC is functioning as satellite center for Central Institute of Plastic Engineering and Technology, CIPET, Bhopal. Skill development program and diploma courses have been started at Plastic Park Damot. Plastic waste recycling facility with an ability to handle 26 metric tons plastic waste per day is operational here. Common warehousing unit integrated with a packaging unit. Administrative complex with secretarial support and trade facilitation. Sewage treatment plant. Dedicated staff for maintenance of infrastructure and utilities. Units in Plastic Park Damot have advantage of excellent industrial ecosystem that exists around due to its close proximity to industrial area Mandideep, 15 kilometers, which is home to 731 industries in textile, pharmaceutical, food processing, engineering, automobile and other multiple sectors. Prominent industries in Mandideep include Vardhaman Yarns, HEG Limited, Procter & Gamble, Lupin Limited, Crompton Greaves Limited, Tafe Motors Limited, Dawat Foods Limited, Hershey India Private Limited, etc. MPIDC invites you to become a part of this journey towards growth and prosperity. Fully developed plots are ready for allotment on concessional rates with 99 years lease. Online allotment has been started.